So guys, in today's video, I am telling you how to build the tree maps using Python. So see the video start to end. So please like this video, share your friend and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I do not take a long time and let's move to the computer screen and let's see how to build a tree map using Python. So now let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, I'm telling you about tree map using Python. A tree map is used to visualize hierarchical data as a set of nested rectangles. It is a data visualization tool for displaying data structure in a tree structure using nested rectangles. In this article, I walk you through how to visualize a tree map using Python. So first of all, I am telling you what is tree map. What is tree map? A tree map is a data visualization technique used to visualize hierarchical data using nested rectangles. A tree map displays hierarchical data in such a way that each branch of tree receives a rectangle which is filled with smaller rectangles as sub-branches. Okay. Hope you now understand what tree maps are and the structure in which they display hierarchical data. In the section below, I walk you through a tutorial on how to visualize tree maps using the Python programming language. So visualizing a tree map using Python. There are so many data visualization libraries in Python that we can use for visualizing tree maps, but the easiest way is to use the plotly library in Python. So below is how we can use the plotly to visualize a tree map using Python. So now let's start. So first of all, I already opened my Visual Studio Code and I go into the file. So not file, I go into the right click onto my desktop. Now in my desktop, what I am doing, here I am go and E. Then in E drive, I am making my folder like right click, new, then folder. And I am giving my folder name is tree map using Python. Enter press. So I open my folder. So in my folder, there is nothing. So I go to the Visual Studio Code, I make to the file, new file. And I am making a file like treemap.py. And you are thinking why I am writing like .py. Py means Python, that's why. And I am making this file onto my E drive of my folder. Where's my folder? Let me see it. Let's find it. Let's down. Where it is? Down, I'm going down, and my folder name is like tree map using Python. Enter press. Now this is my folder. Open my folder and create a file. So my file will be built. So in my file, first of all, I write like import plotly. And if you do not download this plotly library, so go into the command prompt and search here pip install plotly. Okay, then enter press, it will be downloaded. So I already downloaded, so I don't download it another time, and must be your extensions and all thing will be downloaded. Then I write like .graph. Then here I am doing like objects as go. Now enter press. 2 times I will be enter press, and here I am write like fig / go dot figure, and figure F should be must be in capital. Then here I am like go, then dot, then tree map. And your T should be must be in capital, then this, then enter. Now I'm writing like labels, then this bracket, then A comma, B comma, double comma, C comma, double commas, D comma, and double commas, E comma, double commas, F comma, double comma, G comma, double commas, H comma, double commas, I comma, I. Then comma from here. Now I am writing like parents, then this, then slash, then double commas, comma, double commas, A comma, double commas, A comma, double commas, C comma, double commas, C comma, double commas, A comma, like this, double commas, A comma, then double comma, G comma, double commas, A comma. Now what I am doing, like enter press. Now I am writing like fig.show. Then I am writing like this. Now I save from here, then run it, and its shortcut key is Control Alt and then it will be loading. And if you click then click. So it will become. So you can see it, we built a tree map using Python. So here you can see it, when you click onto this one, you come onto the here A, then here you can see it is very simple to build it, and here you can see it, and here you can see it, and like this, click I like this, then I go onto the here. It is very small project, but it is very beautiful project. Here you can see it. In very some codes we build a very good thing using Python. Okay, in very some code. Here you can see it. So now here you can see it. Tree maps are used to visualize hierarchical data as a set of nested rectangles. It displays hierarchical data in such a way that each branch of the tree receives a rectangle which is filled with smaller rectangles as sub-branches. I hope you like this article on a tutorial on how to visualize tree maps using Python. Feel to free your important and valuable question in the comment section below. And I tell you, this similar video is like that. When I go to the YouTube, I search in my channel by the name of Code with PK. This similar video I will be uploaded on my channel like this sunburst plot. In this video, I tell you all things like how to download or paper plotly. I tell you in this video all things. This is similar to this video. Okay, here I tell you like how to download, import, and all thing I tell you. But it is similar to that. Okay, here you can see it. I tell you that, and see this video also. Then go on to my channel and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell. Then go onto the playlist and go on to my Python tutorial playlist and bookmark it and access it, and then go to my Python project playlist and bookmark it and access it also. Here you can see it. We done very 22 project till now. Here you can see it, we done it, and here you can see it. So now you can see it, now I meet in next class, and next video I'm meeting class. And please do not forget to like this video and share our friends and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I meet in next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.